This is the 266th Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud, and yet another Taiku with or by Rabbi Yirmiyah. I'm beginning to think that he does ask the most Taikus in Shas. I can't prove it. I haven't run the stats for it, but if someone out there has it, I'd be curious to know. It seemed that he asks quite a few Taikus. Rav Papa and Rav Yirmiyah, those two. But this is another Taiku, unanswered, unresolved question that is asked by Rabbi Yirmiyah. It is in Tractate Chulin, page 52b. Nun Beis Amud Beis, Nun Bet Amud Bet, which means the second side. And in the Babylonian Talmud, it's a page, is a folio. It's a two-sided page. That's what a page is in the Talmud. And when it's referred to as a page number this, it's page number this, side A or side B. And that's what it means by saying B or A. So this Taiku is found in Tractate Chulin. You can find it. It's on Sefaria. Maybe there's some other online Talmuds. It's in Tractate Chulin, page 52b. And with the words Vigul Goles She Nechbesa Meruba by Rav Yirmiyah Rov Gavoha O Rov Hakefa Taiku. The Gemara returns to Shmuel's statement, or if the skull was crushed in its majority, the animal is a treifa. We're talking about different things that happen to an animal that make it unfit for consumption. It makes it not kosher. And so one of the statement was that if a skull was crushed, it's not animal's a treifa. It's not. It can't be slaughtered for food. Rabbi Yirmiyah raises a dilemma. Is this referring to the majority of its height or the majority of its circumference? Okay, if a skull was crushed, was it crushed in length or was it crushed in width? Wow. I think it reminds me of something. Rabbi Yirmiyah was asking these really, really minute, detailed questions, and someone got mad at him. I remember this. I'd love to remember where it was. It was like, there's an expression in Yiddish, why are you hawking a chinik? I mean, it's certain things. Hawking a chinik means like being annoying. Being a nudnik. Like, what are you nitpicking on the smallest things, So I think, if I remember correctly, I think someone got mad at Rabbi Yirmiyah for asking so many, like, overly detailed questions. So it just reminded me of that, because it says if a skull was crushed. So, I mean, in a sense, you want to be exact. If it's crushed, it's just crushed. I mean, or if its majority is crushed, it doesn't make a difference. Why should it make a difference? If the majority of its height or the majority of its circumference, if it was crushed in the majority, then it's a treifa. It shouldn't make a difference why, height or circumference. But apparently it does make a difference, enough so that the Talmud said that there's no answer to this. And when we get the answer? According to the tradition, when the Messiah comes. And what's interesting is that when the Messiah comes, it's actually not the Messiah who answers the question. You would think that's who answers it. That's what I would think, and that's one of I call that the 318th Taiku for me. Why doesn't the Messiah answer the question? Why does it Elijah answer the question? I don't think I have ever gotten a good answer for that. I mean, the Messiah is the ultimate Torah teacher. I would think that he would answer the question. No? What do you think? But anyway, that's Taiku number 266 in the Babylonian Talmud. according to the book by Rabbi Aharon Yehoshua Pessin.